Hello there. Let's undertake a new quest today. Opening up Gravity Sketch and selecting a new sketch, adjusting my workspace and just loading a reference image. Yes, today we're going to make lemon curd on a cookie. We start with the revolve tool using a disc, choosing an appropriate shade of brown. We then retain the color and create the frills of the cookie using the stroke round tool with the polar symmetry set at 12. Change the color to cream. Stick to the stroke tool but change the input method to point mode. Construct your cream. Repeat again. Time for our center filling of some delicious lemon curd. Change the color to a deep yellow. Bring down the polar symmetry to 0 and don't forget to change the input method to mixed input mode. Place a singular sphere in the center of the cream strokes. Modify the sphere to give the impression of slight ripples that form while pouring in thick lemon curd. We then use the ink tool and a dark green color with the ribbon stroke to make some shapes that are gently modified to look like a leaf. Place into the curd and repeat for a second leaf. There we go, our lemon curd on a cookie is ready, and guess what? It just took us 5 minutes. If you have watched this video this far, perhaps you would like to catch a glimpse of what you can very easily achieve in some more time. Allow me to inspire. All this was created using most of the tools demonstrated in the video until now and a few new ones, a small gift from me to give yourself the thrill of discovering. So how did I go about this? I simply grouped the entire desert and copied it 3 more times. I then placed the models into my scene and modified their movements. The next question: so why did I create this? Well, there's seldom a quest without a cause, so kindly permit me to explain. This depicts the alarming prices of lemons in my country due to several factors, so much so that they have been classified as luxury goods. Here we see humanoid figures rejuvenating in, playing with, or simply creating the lemon curd on the cookie, a common tea time accompaniment often enjoyed by the elites. The use of lemon as a core ingredient is satirical to the place occupied by what was a humble common citrus ingredient that was once used daily. Well, it's now time for you to find your own cause, undertake a brand new quest, and simply give it your best. It's been an honor learning with you. Until we meet again.